Alright, which one looks appealing to you?
I don't know.
Sakura Chan?
Oh, okay, yes. No, it's fucking Demon Slayer.
Okay.
Nezuko.
Okay, this one looks tough. I'll give it my best. You gotta use the claw to kind of yank it over.
It's a one-off, by the way. Oh, you fucked it.
No, I think I went way too narrow. Sometimes you gotta smoke a little crack. I was right there. Your turn.
That's crazy. Here, hold it.
Yeah, go for it.
I could never do these, dude. So I'm trying to move.
You're trying to scooch it down. Sometimes you just gotta smoke a little crack. Yep. Oh, Hasan. Oh, Hasan, that's good.
It's gonna take multiple tries, by the way, Chad. It's not supposed to be a one-off. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Never mind. It might be a one-off. Oh, give me one more.
He's in.
One more.
He's starting to believe. He's starting to believe.
This one is called Omakase Technique.
Oh, he's starting to believe. Wait, he's actually believing. Okay.
You do it.
Okay, I think we aim for that portion right there.
I think you're supposed to push it down now, right? Or no?
Watch. I think we go right there. Give me it. Oh, that's nice.
It's not supposed to pick it up. It's supposed to push it down, I think.
But that's good.
Oh, that's so close.
That was good salsa.
All right, let me try it.
All right, all you.
We'll do one-on-one.
Come on now, baby. Give me that sweetness.
What? Oh, I don't know what this does. Oh, it worked! Oh, shit. Fuck. All right, it's so close.
Go again.
You want me to go?
I think you're dialed into the Matrix right now.
Come on.
He's feeling it.
Why isn't it turning on?
Oh.
Did you put it in?
Hey. Come on now, baby. Give me that salsa. Yep. We're taking home a Nezuko. Give it to me.
Okay, that's not working. We gotta push it down, I think. This is what Connor would say. Push it down.
I literally think we go here. Come on.
Okay, that's smart. You gotta do the backside. Pick it up the butt.
Yep. Pick it up the butt.
That's crazy.
Alright. Sometimes you just gotta smoke a little crack and do something weird. Like this. Yep. Oh, come on now. Push it that way.
Oh. Okay. Here,
We only have 1 point left.
I got it. Last one. It's over. It's done.
Bring her home. Oh, that's it. She's coming home.
It's coming home, lads. Come on then, lads. It's coming home. No!
Oh my God, it's so close.
We moved it a lot. We did a dent. It's copium, probably.
Yeah.
It's copium. These fucking things are
Is our person meeting us yet?
Yeah, hold up. I'm gonna be like, we're inside the claw machine place.
Oh.
Alright. We can walk outside.
Okay.
I don't know where he is, but
Nezuko-chan.
I feel like it kills you with the sunk cost, like.
Yeah, I feel like we gotta go back and get it.
Yeah, fuck. I have a.
Yeah, we gotta get it. We gotta get it. We're not giving up, chat.
What do I do with this? So
Alright, I got it.
You put it in?
Yeah, and it should just give you bills and the coins back.
Wait, it says 1,000 only.
Let me see.
It says 1,000 only.
All right, hang on. Hold this. Let's see what I got.
Let's go, chat.
Nezuko-chan.
Nezuko-kun.
Nezuko-chan, coming.
Nezuko-kun.
We won't leave you here, Nezuko. All right.
There's one more on the left side.
Okay. Hurry. Before someone else takes it.
I will smack a 14-year-old girl in here. I don't give a shit, dude. The saddest is when they actually help you. When they come over. Have they ever done that to you?
Oh, yeah.
When they like come over and they're like, all right, dude, you fucking tried it a lot.
Come on, baby. Come home.
Oh! Oh! Okay. Here. It's coming on. It's coming on.
She's coming home. Two grown men spend $100 trying to get a Nezuko. Oh,
that's perfect. That's the
sometimes you gotta
perfect
smoke a
pull.
little crack.
That's the perfect pull. Fuck. You okay? That's the sauce though. That's the recipe.
that
That's
is
the
the
recipe.
salsa.
That's the recipe. This is what we're getting, chat. This is what we're gonna be fucking getting. Yeah, all the way back. Don't be shy about that.
Oh, yeah.
Get in her backside.
Come on, Nezuko. Come home. Come home.
Nezuko. Oh fuck! You juiced it too
Terrible.
much. You juiced it too much. You hit it. You hit her backside too far.
Yeah. Redemption right here. Redemption right here.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
No, it's fine. Oh! Fuck. All right, let me try.
Nezuko.
Put it in. Let me put it in there.
Two grown men versus a baby's claw machine. Who will win? Sapporo. Come on.
Oh!
See, this is why you don't gamble. This is literally it. You're watching.
Yeah, this is bad. Don't do it. Don't
You're
get it
watching
twisted.
two men
Wait, hold on. Don't do it. Oh fuck, you're doing it. It's too late.
What?
I was gonna show them my don't get it twisted card. This is gonna give us the power we need. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh! Dude, even touching the card literally improved our chances. I'm not even kidding. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it with this.
Yeah.
All right,
You
hold
have the
this.
power.
This is what I do usually in situations like this.
Get it
In
twisted.
circumstances like this, here's what I do.
Most gamblers quit right before they make money. Oh my god. He's summoning. Oh my god. Book. Seaweed.
I have won like I think $10,000 in Vegas with this on a slot machine. Oh, never mind. I thought we were close. We were not close.
Alright. Here we go. I got this.
Okay.
We only got a few left. But I believe.
Get it twisted.
We gotta get that back. I think I might have juiced it too much.
Don't get it twisted.
I juiced it too much.
See, you gotta twist it. You're not supposed to do that.
I see the perfect thing in my mind. Come on, bitch. Come on.
Come
bitch.
home. It's
Come on,
coming home,
bitch.
lads. It's coming home. Oh, fuck. Okay, that's so close. Let me do it.
Last one,
I got it.
Hasan.
It's over. It's done. It's easy.
Bring her home.
It's easy.
Two men. Oh, what? Hasan, this is wild.
I think we need to push it more, which is what I was trying to do. Dude! Oh! Is that the last one?
That's the last.
Fuck, dude. Does it know that we have only one coin left and it gives us maximum juice?
Most gamblers quit. Oh, wait. I might have coins. Hasan, we're saved.
Oh, Sumo is not booked.
Oh.
He said sumo was booked up, so we couldn't do it.
Oh.
That's what he's saying. How many more coins do you have?
Quite a few. I think I'm going to try and smoke a little crack right here. Just try to do something different.
Oh no, you went the opposite direction. It might be. Oh.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, I like it. I like it. Put it in there. Put it in there.
Evil dies tonight, Hasan.
How much money have we lost so far?
So much money. An absolutely stupid amount for this toy. But now it's like a matter of ego.
I saw your vision, and I wanted to fuck with it.
Oh my God. Hasan.
I almost punched the fucking display in front of the guy who works here.
Evil dies tonight. Here we go. It's done.
Hey, what's up, man?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. We're back, though. We're back.
We have spent an ungodly amount of money trying to free Nezuko.
I hope he doesn't fucking lose all your... Fuck me. God damn it.
Dude, it's tough. Oh, come on. Hasan, I think we're done. I think we're done.
Are you tapping out?
I think...
Oh.
God damn it.
That one has some power
Wait.
to it.
Get in there.
You know how to do this?
I got it.
Bring new energy.
All right, we got a local in here.
Show us. Send her home.
Dude, he didn't even fucking flinch.
Send her home.
There you go.
If this works, I'm gonna lose my fucking mind. We've been trying so hard. Oh, God.
It's not strong enough to lift it up, so you gotta like keep on pushing.
Yeah, how much money have we wasted on this so far?
Much, Hasan.
How many tries?
Lots. But we have to get it. And then we can go about our lives again. Hasan, I need you right now. Go. Lock in.
Okay, here, hold it. Also, fuck, don't give it back to me because I fucked it up.
That's okay.
I can hold the camera for you guys too.
Oh, thank you.
No problem.
I'm just putting this away. Please, Hasan.
Do you guys not have a selfie stick or anything?
Dude. What the fuck? Oh, fuck.
Hasan, that one
There's
is
a coin. There was a coin thing right here. Wait, I should put another one?
Yeah. I gotta tether this cable. I wanna get my shirt.
Come on. I'm trying crazy shit now. Like, I don't even know.
Oh. Hasan, what is happening? There's nowhere else for it to go.
I don't know. You want to help?
Yeah.
I feel
help.
like a baby.
No. This is normal.
I know, but it's like we've tried so much. Oh, God.
Oh.
He's gonna set it up for us. He's gonna set it up for
The
us.
saddest part when he sets it up,
Wow.
and it's like literally the jankiest way to stand on it.
Okay.
どこに狙えばいいですか?
Try lifting up to front side.
Front side?
One side.
Yeah, then it'll go. All right.
Hasan, bring us home.
So many times.
Many
Dude, I've
times.
done it so many times. It's
Bring
like-
it home. Thank you. Arigato.
Look down.
Bring it home. Oh, God.
It's front. It's like maybe it's front. No, it's perfect.
Oh.
Did you fuck
Okay.
with those?
No.
That's crazy. What the fuck? Dude, what the fuck? We had better angles than this, I swear to God.
Did he fuck with us?
Dude, I think he's preying on our downfall, bro.
I'm trying for something weird. Sometimes you gotta smoke a little crack.
No, it's gonna work, I think.
Oh, dude. I think it's just one more.
That's it.
Just one more.
3 coins left.
One more.
You literally have 3 coins left.
Same spot.
Bring us home. It's just taps. Just 2 taps. Bring us home. Come on. Bring us home.
Come on.
Please.
No, what the fuck?
What have you done? You just tried.
Oh, okay, I'm done. And that's fucking...
What have you
How is it supposed to be like that? This is the worst day of my
Can
life.
you help us again?
Okay,
Can you help again? We've
just one more.
messed it up. It's bad, right? That's not good.
Yeah, it's very bad.
Oh my god. Hasan, this is...
Bro, he literally is edging it.
We're
dude.
gonna have to leave the country after this.
I could sneeze and that would fall.
We're gonna have to
Okay?
leave the country.
No, it's so embarrassing. I've done this already. I've done this like a bunch.
I think that's good.
Okay, front side wall.
Front side one.
The batting cages are here, by the way. That's what Jake said.
The batting cages are here?
Yeah, we're in the area with batting cages.
Oh yeah, Shinjuku has a few.
Please. Please end our
Oh,
suffering.
dude, it's the same one I did.
Oh! Oh!
Yes! It doesn't feel as good, but
Still.
We did that first try. That's
First
crazy.
try.
It's never been done before. How much did we spend on this?
You don't want to know.
How much? What's 100 yen?
What's the
We spent-
count? Yeah.
I think we spent like at least $40.
Something like that.
I think, yeah.
Something like that.
Which is so fucking stupid.
We, it was not our proudest moment. Here, hold this one.
Oh, wait. Hold on.
Oh god.
The soba place is nearby, so we can.
Oh, the soba place?
Yeah, it's like down the road.
Dude!
Ooh, Shanks.
Oh, you want to get red shanks?
Yeah, I do, actually.
Watch.
Wait, fuck, which one is it though? Oh, you
It's this
Shanks.
Okay.
I mean, we can go to the arcade later too, because the Kabukicho Tower is pretty.
Well, the thing that we're gonna. Oh, dude, no, Zoro and Sanji over here too.
Which one do you want?
But I don't know. Fuck, these are all sick. Oh my god, the My Hero Academia ones are cool too. Fuck. God damn, dude. Okay, these are all.
Oh.
Yu Yu Hakusho.
Yeah, Yu Yu Hakusho. Okay, we gotta do. Oh my god, these are getting cooler.
Yeah, these guys, there's some actually pretty wild toys here. Oh, Goku!
It's what kind of fucking what is that? It's Goku. No, but what kind of Goku? What, Dragon Ball? Yeah. Straight Dragon Ball?
Alright, which one do you want me to try? Oh.
How much do we have? Do we have coins?
I can check if we have coins. There's also an ATM here.
There's also.
Oh my god, those are so sick.
Okay.
Alright, here's what we're doing.
What are we doing?
I will go use an ATM. And we will have a race. Whoever can pull one first will win.
Okay.
The soba place is at like 1:30, so.
Oh, it's
Do you
at
want to
what
just
time
want to?
now?
Yeah, it's like 3 minutes
okay.
You
before.
want to do the soba competition? Like,
Yes, I do. Well, are we doing it against each other?
Yeah.
Oh god, you're gonna destroy me.
No, I'm not. I don't want to eat that much. Wait, hold up. Where can I break this? That's the real question.
Does those machines handle that
No,
kind
they
of?
only take. I think they only take.
Oh no, they take it. They take it.
All right, Will. 10,000. Will.
But do you want like to use all of it?
Oh yeah. Then I just like put it back.
Yeah, just put it back. Yeah.
All 1,000. Wait, hold on. Will.
Yeah.
Will.
He just left the coins in there.
Take out. We should do it. Or I have enough. Okay, I'll do half and half. We'll do half and half. I'll give you
So
5,000.
50 tries.
Oh, it won't take all of them? You gotta do one by one.
I think the meta is using the 500 yen coin might be better because you get 6 tries instead of 5 if you put a 500 yen coin in.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So do the one on the very right, the fourth one. Yeah. So you get 6 tries instead of 5.
That's a great meta. Why can't I just fucking put
Just put it all together. Yeah.
I have so much fun.
All right.
Okay. All right. Will,
Yes.
come here. Okay.
I've got the technique.
I 10,000 yen worth of coins. I got them in 500 increments. Apparently, 500 increments give you an additional gold.
Okay.
So here, I mean, we're gonna split it halfway.
Okay.
You know, half and half. I don't know what the half and half would look like.
And whoever shows up with the most
So what
toys
is
at
it?
the end.
10,000. So it's supposed to be 5,000.
Okay.
How many is that?
5, 10, 15, 20, 25.
25. Wait, I'm supposed to give you, because I have ones as well. I have ones for like 500.
Thanks for showing up, brother.
Oh, no problem, man.
Do you live in Japan?
Yes, yes.
Oh, that's awesome.
4, 5.
I live in nearby, so.
Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We're so dialed into these fucking claw machines.
Okay, so how many? That's 500.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Is this
All
an
right.
old-fashioned claw competition?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, we should do it side by side, though.
Okay.
We should go on something that we both like, side by side, so we can film both
All right.
at the same time. Okay.
Dragon
I mean,
Ball.
this one's pretty nuts.
It is
And
pretty
you
nice.
know, once you get it, you can trade it for another one in the thing.
Oh, you can?
Yes.
Oh, well, I do want to do Demon Slayer.
Okay, Demon Slayer?
But, I mean, do you like the other one on the side?
Well, I mean, I could.
Fuck it. It's not that good.
Alright, which one's.
Hold on.
Dude, Bleach Yu Yu Hakusho is nuts.
The Yu Yu Hakusho one's nice.
Yu Yu Hakusho is wild. He's so dialed in right now.
I am.
Okay, this is not a game. This has changed from being a game or a stream to a matter of pride.
What the hell is this? Golden Command?
Yeah, he's a sniper. He's dope.
Oh, whoa. What is this? We got some weird ones.
You know what?
So this is all the waifu stuff.
It's weird? How's it weird?
We got some strange up in here. Should we do this?
You wanna
You want this?
move it off?
Is it Hatsune Miku?
That's
There's Hatsune Miku right there. Yeah, let's do a booba off. Fuck it.
Alright, boob off.
I want the blue hair one, but fuck it. You can have it.
No, I like her.
Okay,
I like, you know.
Yeah, I think that's
No, the blue hair one is like lolly. Oh, God.
that one's Miku. Hatsune Miku at the right.
Oh, it is Hatsune?
Yeah.
Well, you can do this one, and I can do this one.
Okay, I want,
Relax
I want
time.
A busty lady.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, I'm putting the 500 in.
Alright.
Gives you an extra hit.
I mean, I feel like I'm gonna have this in 6 sprints. Because I have the technique.
What is the technique?
Pull her down, flip her over.
Oh, that was terrible.
I botched the first one.
What do you mean pull her down, flip her over?
You gotta pull
So you
down the
wanna
ramp.
try to get her to the right where the hole is bigger?
I botched it too.
Doesn't it move there a little bit?
Oh,
Oh wait, why is it so strong? I've never seen it like that before.
Oh!
what the
That
hell?
was so strong.
You got a bonus there.
What was that?
I think we fucked it up though. Because I don't know how I'm gonna flip this back. It's not gonna go through that hole. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh,
Joey
such a bad.
maybe it wasn't a good thing. Let's see how Will's doing.
So my technique is just push it on down the lane, but I'm playing real bad right now. My head is fraggled. I'm not even.
You just gotta keep on dragging it.
Yeah, you
you
gotta
know.
drag it.
Oh, he went the wrong way. Fuck.
Wait, yours.
Wait,
is-
that's-
you're there.
that's so
All
close.
you gotta do is the front. All you gotta do is the front.
What do you mean?
That side.
Oh, it doesn't go further than that. Oh, I'm cooked. It won't go further.
No, you gotta do the front. That's the back.
Ooh.
No,
Oh my God, Hasan! I told you I was gonna get in one coin. Watch this. Watch
You have
this.
one more in there?
Yeah, so it's one more try.
What am I supposed to? Which side am I supposed to hit? Because it doesn't go all the way.
You want to like tilt it so it goes towards the right a little bit more, and then it should slide in.
But this is the maximum.
Ah, that's what you're saying. Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't go.
Okay. That's a good grab.
Oh yeah, it is a good grab. Well, we'll see. We'll see what happens.
Oh, dude, your claw is on steroids.
I can use my first 6.
First 6.
Me too.
Alright, so Hasan used 6 tries.
I also
Did you put a coin in already? Another coin?
Yeah,
Okay.
but I
Try number
I
7.
could've finished it, but I blew it. I actually I pushed what I should have pulled.
Oh.
Okay.
Come
Now
on.
it's in a fortuitous position.
Mm-hmm.
Now we go backside.
Dude,
Backside
this
air.
is so good. I can't. It's like stuck too far to the left. I don't think I'll ever
Backside
get out.
air. Give it to me.
I'm in claw hell.
I think I've got it.
Oh, careful.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
No, I'm in claw hell. I'm stuck. It's too far to the left. My claw doesn't go there. What am I supposed to do? Okay, if we don't hit it in the second 6 tries, we do a truce.
Okay.
We do a truce and we get a help.
Call for help, yeah.
Oh my god, I sent it the wrong direction.
Okay? I can't even get there. I can't get there. Fuck. I have 3 tries remaining.
I feel like try to hit it from the middle, maybe. Or like dive in through the middle.
Look, this is the What do
You
you
gotta
mean?
push it down this way.
Bro, it's not going. It's too far to the left. It's outside of the claw's reach. You mean like this?
Yeah. Oh, it's almost.
Yeah, it's too far.
Two more tries.
Oh, you have 1 try remaining. Okay, we're gonna get for help after this one. Yeah, 1 second, my man.
I think I fucked it up again.
Okay.
Oh, there
Come
it is.
on. Come on, baby.
Give me
Oh,
a
fuck me. God damn it. Let's do it now.
Okay, I have it right where I want it. Right where I
Are you
want
gonna go for another 5?
Ask for help.
it. Yeah, of course. What's up, man? What's your name?
Robert.
What's up, Robert? How you doing, man?
Yeah.
What's up?
Donna.
Yeah. Hi, nice to meet you.
Watch you all the time. Used to watch you when you were on G4.
Oh, thanks, man. I appreciate you. Good meeting you, brother.
Okay, ask for help.
Wait, I think I can get it right here. Just the one banger.
Oh,
Watch.
Well, doesn't need help?
Fuck it. After that, we're asking for help.
Watch this. Watch this.
I thought we did a truce. What is this?
Flick it forward technique.
Ooh.
Do you not want to help? It's fine. You
I
don't
don't know
have
if
to
we're ready for it.
get it. I can't get it. It's too far left. I'm stuck.
Yeah, I think I just dropped at a really bad spot.
Look at how busty she is, dude.
Flick it. I need it to roll that way. Okay. I gotta use my knowledge of geometry. You have to use the outside of the box every time to create the most pressure. So I'm looking for that outside one with that claw, which would be there, and then there, and then that'll come down. I was a little too far back. I'm not proud of that.
Dude,
I think you want to like put it more towards the right claw, and then it'll drag to the left
Yeah.
when it
I
lifts
need
up.
help. I'm calling it. I'm calling help. I can't.
Sumimasen?
Fuck, there's no one here. Oh, is that guy here?
No, that's a salary man.
Fuck. He looks
Like he works here.
I think. Oh, look, see, it's at an angle.
Ooh.
It pulled it.
Yeah, see, it's going gradually to the left, but it's a lot of tries.
Yeah. So now we there, and then there, and then slip right past it. Yeah. I'm on it.
Yeah, it's gonna go
You
left.
needed to get that. Yep.
Okay, all right.
Yup.
Now maybe you can just like twist it,
Yeah.
twist it a little bit.
You see what we're doing here?
I'm seeing it.
What if I went right there? Sometimes you just gotta smoke a little crack. Sometimes you just gotta smoke a little crack.
Okay. Ooh.
And now,
Now I just gotta twist
Finishing
that's
blow.
finishing blow. Yeah. Is there like only one guy working here?
I don't know.
come on. Uh-oh.
Oh wait. Ooh.
That was devastating to
Mhm.
our cause.
I think you went like 3 steps back with that one.
Oh, from
Oh god, I was so close.
now, just that corner.
Mhm,
we're
mhm,
done.
mhm. We're all cheering for you.
Come on. I don't know about that.
You can help.
あ、ちょっといいですか。
On this side.
あ、こっちの方に。
You're not gonna do it, Will?
I'm right
think-
where I want to be, I think.
Ooh.
What do you think? What are you thinking right now?
That could be done. I don't know.
No, we're not done yet. I think we.
She didn't even help me. She put it on literally the first. Fuck! I fucked it up. I already fucked it up. I fucked it. I moved it.
Oh wait. Okay. You want to do the same thing?
I think we go backside now.
Yeah, backside and it'll lift up.
Yep.
So don't go past the bar, but like kind of hitting it.
Yeah.
Inner.
So, like right there,
Mhm.
and then.
Okay.
This is gonna have to be my best roll ever.
Okay.
Will! Oh, fuck!
Come on, give it.
Why is it not? Oh, I think you hit the bar. You can't hit the bar. It stopped. It stopped the claw from going down. Yeah, how many tries do you have? This is the last try. Oh no, this is the 4th try.
Oh, fuck! Oh no! It's going the opposite direction. No!
Please just hit that back corner.
Damn, I don't know how to explain it. I think I see it though. I see the
vision.
potential. I see it, but
Yep. Come home.
Dude, what the
Come
fuck?
home.
Wrong side again.
Come home.
What is 5,000 yen? Like 50
that's
bucks?
yeah. But with the yen being so weak, it's probably like 40.
We are not spending 40 bucks on this shit right now.
You
And
guys
both of
are.
us
You guys
dead.
are.
That's so sad.
Oh, wait.
Right one.
I think it made it worse.
Yes!
Hasan's really close though. She set you up good.
No, she didn't.
No, she didn't.
She literally set it up in the first position it was in. The other guy at least like helped me. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
This lady had no time for me.
This is.
The bar.
How much have you wasted?
So much.
Do you have any left?
Oh yeah.
Okay, good.
Oh wait, I think that's actually kind of across what we flip right there.
I think yours is in a good spot because it's at the very left. You gotta like spin it somehow.
Oh, it's over. It's done.
It's
I got
done?
it. I got it.
Oh, dude, it's so close. I think one more time. One more time with that.
Will, ask for help. I already got one. Here, he's right there. Ask for help.
I think I.
Will, ask for help. He's right here. Bro, he's right here. Will.
It's okay to ask for help.
Dude, just do it. Just do it. I already got one. You should get one too.
I got this.
Okay.
It's done.
Dude.
Oh, it's so... Okay, that's impossible. That's literally impossible. I don't think it's supposed to be that way. I think she lied to me.
Same with that.
Oh my. Okay.
So who needs help? Will,
Wait, no, I got
do you
it.
want help though?
Spun.
No, I'm good. I'm good.
大丈夫です。すみません。
Trying to think about how to attack this.
Fuck. He's got to go under the bar, in between these two bars.
Mhm.
And I'm not.
You just can't touch the bar with the tip of it.
I did it. I did it. Okay, but it's the right one, but it's not gonna work. It hasn't worked at all.
Dude, wait.
Oh, it's getting close.
It's getting closer.
Yeah. Oh!
This is so tough. I would say these crane. So there's different types of crane games, but these ones.
The hoop is the easiest.
Yeah, I would say the bar ones. They're quite
How
difficult.
much is this action figure if I buy it?
Like like 1,000 yen probably.
Oh!
Oh, he did it!
Let's go!
Alright, you win the first round.
Good job.
Sorry.
Got a little excited.
Oh! Relax time.
Next time.
Relax time.
I only had one try left on this machine, and I don't think I got mine.
Final try. Oh, wait. Oh, dude, it's so unfortunate.
Oh! Wait, you're done? Are you out of coins?
No, but you win that round.
Oh, okay.
You want to go somewhere?
I'm gonna choose the next one.
I'm a big. Okay, I have one suggestion. You can say no. You can veto it.
Sure.
Here, it's this way.
I'm a circle guy.
There is another arcade like down the road.
Why is this one like shitty?
This is a little hard, I think. The Gigo right across the street, right there.
Okay, let's go to
Yeah,
this
yeah,
arcade. I
yeah.
win this arcade. I'm the king of this
Yeah,
arcade.
you're the king of this arcade. Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll try this one.
Let's go to the other one.
And they have different types.
It's hard to fucking carry. We should have brought it back.
There's a bag right there you can get.
Okay, little bag. Not the big one. Little bag is fine, bro.
Will, you broke it.
Oh, fuck.
Okay.
Put them both in? Yeah, just put both in.
Yeah. No, keep it.
We're gonna put that in there?